Do you know most of the people fail during an interview because they are not able to communicate effectively? Yes. One of the biggest problems why people get rejected during an interview. So friends, today we will discuss how to communicate effectively during an interview. I am Mitesh, father of a cute girl, husband of a superwoman. I started as an admission counselor. I moved into recruitment and now I'm having over 10 years of successful experience. Author of my upcoming book, How to Get Job in 5 Days. So let's discuss on all those little things which includes your attitude, your approach and your practices that will change the way of speaking for you in front of public or during the interview, and it would lead you to an effective communicator. So for if I talk about the agendas for today, it's very clear and very simple. Regardless of the situation, either it is spontaneous or it is planned, what must be done. The very first agenda for today would be anxiety. As per the survey, 85% of people feel nervous before an interview or while speaking in front of public. And if you ask me, the remaining 15%, out of that 10% are still telling lie. Everyone feels nervous. I still feel nervous before an interview. It's common. Even though you are prepared for an interview, you feel nervousness. There are people, their legs start shaking. There are people, they feel the butterflies in their stomach. And to be honest, this is just because of their anxiousness and the anxiety. And this anxiety cannot be overcome. But yes, it can be managed. It can be controlled. And the day you start controlling and and managing your anxiety, it will add a different dimension within you. Because anxiety, a controlled anxiety, would give you energy, the power to focus, and lead you what to do. How can this anxiety be managed? The very first thing that you can do is take a deep breath and acknowledge it. Acknowledge that, like, yes, it's me, I'm feeling, and I'm feeling the anxiety, I'm feeling the anxiousness. And it's very normal and natural for everyone. As I told you, right, as per the survey, 85% people across the globe feel that. So it will not spill it out, but yes, it will reduce it. Always, the second thing you can do is always consider the discussion that you are going to be into as a presentation. Believe me, there is no right or wrong way of doing a presentation. If you get into the presentation mode, this would keep your audience engaged. It would hold you to overcommit to it, and it would lead you to an structured conversation, and this will make you top of the discussion, result you at the top of the discussion, and you will be dominating it. There are various activities you can practice. What I do is, like, I use tongue twisters because my focus runs towards that. There are people who listen to music. Some of them love to do warm up. You can take a round across the building before you go for an interview. Now this brings us to the agenda 2. Get out of your own way. The very first thing that acts as a roadblock in your way is you. It's you yourself. You start thinking about the future consequences. You try to perfect the the scenario, and this burdens you. You start thinking what will happen, How will I perform? The time you start thinking of the performance, that the time would lead you to either uh, push you to move back rather than expanding yourself in an interview. Take an example the time you start thinking of your performance, you start feeling the nervousness, right? So it's your mindset which starts losing the grip of the situation. So always be at the present scenario. This brings us to agenda 3. Start taking different different situations, different start taking that discussion as an opportunity rather than taking it as a threat. Just think you are going to tell the person whom you are going to meet the value you are going to create. And the time you start thinking about it would lead you to overtake the total uh, like you know authority of the situation. You will feel confidence, you will gain that confidence, and you will start responding rather than reacting to the situation. Learn to respond, not react. The time you start responding, you will dominate the interview. There are various practices you can do for this activities. Suppose sit with your friend, ask him to give you an imaginary gift, and start telling him why you needed this gift. You just act as if you're opening and you needed this gift, and start telling about the gift, what the gift it is, and then vice versa. Give your friend that gift and tell him why he felt he needed that gift. This would help you speaking in spontaneous situation and in the present situation. Practice. Practice it and you will be at the top of everything. Last but not the least, the fourth agenda would be listen. Be a good listener. Sometimes what happens is when during an interview, when you listen to the person speaking, it gives you ample time to prepare within yourself to how to answer that question or that situation. So always be a good listener. Last, we are coming to the end of this session. Thank you for your time. Subscribe me for more videos that are related how to make you interview ready. Interview ready before you start looking for the next job. Thank you, friends. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.